Peace, welcome. This is your quick how-to detangle Silkpress. Right there, you're getting a shot of some of the tools in my arsenal. We have our two models today. One is long and colored, the other is shorter and colored. She has braids on one side. I cannot wait to get into these tutorials with you guys. I told you I was going to give you free game. Because I definitely can help you fine-tune your skill set. I am a stylist that is multifaceted. I do braids. These braids I didn't do. These are braids from a class that I was giving one of my nieces, and we never took them out. So they've been in for maybe like 2 months, no exaggeration. However, you see that the hair is clean, the removal is smooth, and I am going into detail showing you the braids are all the way to the bottom of the ends of the hair. When you're removing these braids, you need a very fine instrument, rat tail comb preferably, to remove the braid pattern from the hair. After you finish taking out your braids, you need an excellent brush like this one to detangle. I call this my no tears brush because my clients never flinch. They don't cry out in pain when that's done. That little twisty is what you guys snatch out of your hair when you take your ponytails down. And I'm going to get on y'all about that. But I just wanted to show you the damage that does when you take the twist out of your hair abruptly. Now we are going into Silkpress over the hair that was braided, that we took a loose and detangled, that is not soiled. And you're going to see right here how smoothly, how effortlessly this hair gets straight. It has a nice shine. It's not greasy. It's not weighed down. And then I'm going to go back into those sections. I'm not running the flat iron through the hair various times, but I am going to go into the root and get those very strands closest to the scalp straight without burning the client. I hope you enjoyed this quickie. The full video will be posted on the page, and I will be posting my Patreon for you guys if you have any questions on the upcoming videos, look and learns, group classes. I am really looking to set you guys apart in what you do well, because you can specialize in one thing, but you can be really great in a lot of things, and I am definitely great in a lot of things concerning hair. So I look forward to seeing you on the page and in class. And remember, if you have any questions, if there are any other techniques that you want to see short clips on, and when I say short, they're not going to always be as long as this or the video that's going to be posted on the page, please and thank you, leave comments in the comment section. Let's talk about this. I want you to excel. I want you to do better than well. I want you at your best. Peace.